Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 928. We're opening 2 boxes of Panini Select 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 8th at 7:59 p.m. And according to DownToDave.com, it is currently 20-2. Thursday, July 9th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 190, 850, 839. Second box number is 190, 845, 906. We've got 6 cards per pack, 12 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Panini Select 13-14. We've got 2 mini box, an empty box. First mini box is empty. 6 pack, 2, 4, 6. Second mini box, also empty. 2, 4, 6. First pack over 2 box break. Oh, missed that one. Adjust my focus here. That's better. Okay, here we go. Josh Music, rookie for Hurricanes. Sami Vatanen, out of 399 for Ducks, rookie signature card. Cameron Schilling, a rookie Prism version, Washington. Double strike, Nicholas Cronwall for Wings, and a rookie Steve Oleksy, also for Washington. Cameron Gauge for Stars, a signature card. Dollar Stars written on the top here, and we got the logo right here. Fire on Ice, Mike Camilleri for Calgary, and Mike Richard for Kings, Prism parallel card. Okay, do a little cleanup here. Okay. Justin DiBenedetto, signature card for Islanders. Evgeny Nabokov for Islanders, Prism Parallel. Select Freezers. Jack Campbell for Stars. It's the rookie Freezers. And Daniel Bang, rookie for Predators. Dougie Hamilton. Oh, wow, nice hit. Let me get the other base out. Dougie Hamilton out of 199 for Boston. Rookie auto jersey. Nice hit for Bruins. Brendan Gallagher, rookie. Fire on Ice for Habs. And Patrice Bergeron for Boston. Prism parallel card. Okay. Okay, so last pack of our first box. Jason Akeson, rookie for Flyers. That's our first box. Okay, second box. Just like to mention that we got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some Crown Royale, some limited hockey, some Artifact 1450 and empty box. 2 mini box. We've got some Rookie Anthology 4-box break, a Superlative Vault 1415, also an Ultimate Vault 1415, and some Upper Deck Ultimate Collection. So more than 18 box ending tonight on box breakers. More appeal all the time. We've got an empty mini box. 6-pack, 246. Second mini box is empty. 246. First pack, second box. Anders Lee, rookie for Islanders. Colby Cohen for Boston. Signature card, the Youth Explosion. Oliver Ekman-Larsson for Coyote. Prism Parallel. Cornerstone card, Adam Enrique for Devils. Jean-Gabriel Pageau, rookie for Senators. Philip Fosberg for Predators out of 199, rookie out of jersey. Set for Predators. Nathan Beaulieu, rookie Fire on Ice for Montreal. And Matthew Cohen, rookie for Flyers, and it's the Prism version. Okay. Drew LeBlanc, a rookie for Blackhawks. Johan Larsson for Sabres out of 399, rookie autograph. And it's for Sabres. We got it here on top and logo in the back. Corey Perry for Ducks, Prism Parallel. Dougie Hamilton again. Rookie Select Future for Bruins. And Cameron Schilling, rookie for Caps. Thomas McCollum for Wings, signature card. And we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. Alex Pietrangelo for Blues, Fire on Ice. And Joe Thornton, Prism Parallel for Sharks. That's our 2-box. Okay, let's do a quick recap of our hits. Small adjustment here. Okay, so Sharks, Blues, Wings, Auto, rookie for Cap, rookie for Bruins, rookie Auto for Sabres, rookie for Blackhawks, rookie for Flyers, rookie for Montreal, rookie Auto jersey for Predators, rookie for Senators, Auto for Boston, rookie for Islanders, rookie for Flyers, rookie for Montreal again. Beautiful rookie Auto jersey for Dougie Hamilton for Boston, rookie for Predators, rookie for Stars, Auto for Islanders, Auto for Stars, rookie for Caps, rookie Auto for Ducks, and rookie for Hurricane. That concludes our break number 928, 2-box of Panini Select 1314. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 7 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Jill. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.